What you got?
Snowball.
A snowball? And what do you think you're going to do with that?
This.
What are you going to do with it?
Throw it at you.
You're going to what?
Throw it at you.
No, you're not. No, Katie, no! Oh, man. You got the camera.
I know I got it.
You're going to make me fall. You need to wait for your sister.
I know she can see it. What's this button?
Look at me. Look at me. Look at the snow you have on me.
I know.
Look, the snowflakes. Shut the door. Hurry.
I'm gonna throw a snowball at her.
You're gonna get her? Okay. Zip that coat up.
Stop! No! I'm not throwing that bomb.
No, you've already hit me about 4 times with snowballs. Can you make a good snowball? Is that a pretty good one?
I don't know.
Sit it back. Once you make it, sit it on the ground and try to roll it. Sit it right there and now roll it. You'll have to take it and flip it. There you go. Oh, don't push too hard.
I told you, I can't bend. Told you I can't bend on the snow.
You gotta make it tight. The snowflakes are getting bigger.
Ah! Tammy's coming to get me! Tammy, make a snowball. Come get me.
What are you doing? Get her back, Tammy.
I'm ready to go inside.
You're ready to go inside?
It's too chilly. I didn't get one. Here, guys. This is a
Oh, that's a rock.
Yeah,
that's
we can
not...
make it out of a snowball.
No, you can't.
Watch this. I want to kill the wet snow, but I won't blow it. Mom.
Are you catching anything? Lay your head back further. There you go. Are you getting any? Put your head back further, Tammy.
Did you get mine?
Did you get some?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go in?
Thank you.
What? No! No! Tammy, no!
I can't move! Okay, I have to go inside.
Okay, we're going in. We're going in.